Craig Lagging, everyone, and welcome to what is another High-Tech Gamer Pokemon opening. Guys, today I've got 3 Furious Fist booster packs. I think we're going to have a good video, maybe get an EX or a holo, but I'm just hoping for the goods. But without further ado, let's just get right into it. Alright. Right there. Alright, we're going to start off with a Hawlucha booster pack. You got the code. Pretty sure it's 3 from the back. Alright, guys. We got, I see something. I see something good. Pancham, Fighting Stadium, Watchog, Bellsprout, Mindfu, Clauncher, Magmar. Oh, I see something. Pikachu. Oh my gosh. Oh, no way. Oh, yes. Oh, that's a double. Guys, I've already got one of these. We have a Mega Lucario EX. Oh, that's awesome. Sweet. Alright, we'll put that to the top and put that to the back. We got Heracross. Code. 3 from the back. Okay. Minshao, Raichu, Hitmontop, Plus, Mashop, Golett, Bellsprout, Mindfu, Reverse Cubchoo, Regular Rare Politoed. Where's the reverse? Right. Last pack, guys. We got I don't know what this guy's called, like Tyranitar or something. Oh, guys. Sorry, pack. Code. 3 from the back. Alright. Got a Weepinbell, Mountain Ring, Dedenne, Clauncher, Clefairy, Magmar, Pancham, Golett, Hypno. So, Tyrantrum, regular rare. So, I guess this guy's name is Tyrantrum then. Okay, well, good enough. Regular rare Tyrantrum. Alright, Flipperoo. Guys, that was exactly what I was expecting. I expected to get something, but I wasn't expecting to get none other than the Mega Lucario EX Rising Fist. Guys, that is a sick card, don't you think? The only thing is that I legit doubled up on this, so you know what? I doubled up on this. I might do a giveaway. Subscribe, like the video, comment Lucario, turn on the little notification bell, and you can enter in the giveaway for this because I have a double of the exact card. You enter for a giveaway, you might be able to get the card. But you gotta subscribe, like, comment Lucario, and turn on the notification bell. Alright, guys. Wait, we didn't do the review yet. We got the Mega Lucario. Alright, we've got Reverse Hypno, Reverse Fossil Researcher, I'm pretty sure. Researcher, yeah. And then a Reverse Cubchoo. Alright, guys. So, subscribe, leave a like, do whatever you want to do, and just as always, have fun and watch videos of High-Tech Gaming. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.
Now watch me, nay, nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, watch me, nay, nay.